हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कोड विद बेरिस। और दोस्तों, शुरू करने से पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल बटन दबा दीजिए ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियोस के अपडेट्स मिलते रहे। सो फ्रेंड्स, पिछली वीडियो में हमने देखा कि व्हाट इज HTML, व्हाई डू वी यूज इट एंड व्हाट आर द कोड एडिटर्स इन विच वी कैन कोड HTML। सो फ्रेंड्स, अब इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज द HTML स्ट्रक्चर, how to write HTML, and we will create our very first web page. So let's go. So friends, now we will start with creating a new file. You go to file, new file, and here, so very first thing you will do here is save this file as an HTML file. You can select file, save as, or you can simply do Control and S. So you can save it anywhere on your desired location. I'll name it as first web page.html. So friends, here we would start with the doc type tag. So why do we use it and what does it tells the browser? So doc type doc type tag जो है वो हमारे ब्राउज़र को ये बताता है कि जो डॉक्यूमेंट का टाइप है वो हमारा HTML है और उसका वर्जन क्या है. So in the previous versions, people used to write it as HTML 4.01 or 02 anything. And suppose you have multiple web pages, so every time a new version comes, you need to come here and change. Suppose now we are using 5, so you will have to come in every page and change it as HTML5. So this was a pain. So people came up with changes, and now we simply use it as doctype HTML. So the browser will catch the latest version of HTML. You don't need to specify any version. So this is it, and after this we come with the HTML tag. So HTML tag has an opening and ending tag. So and this HTML tag is not a section, this is just a wrapper. This tells the browser that this is our HTML and all the code here is inside this tag. So we'll create some space here. Again, this is not a section, this is just a wrapper. First we write the doc type tag that this doc type document is in HTML and here is the HTML that the browser needs to render. It is just a wrapper. Now after the HTML tag, we come with the head tag. So what is the head tag? Head tag is very useful and very complicated also, which also has an opening and end tag. So here in the head tag we specify the titles of the web page, meta tags. You can also write JavaScripts in this head tag. We will see using the meta tags and JavaScripts later on further videos. But right now we will only use the title. So what does the title do? You must have seen that whenever you open a browser, for example, let's uh, google.com. Sorry, my mistake. Google.com. So this part here, which is the Google, this is our title of the web page. So whatever we write inside this title tag will appear here on the top. So you need to think of something specific, something short, and something descriptive. So here I will write my web page. So this will be a title of the web page. Now after the head tag comes the body tag. So everything that you need to render inside the browser, your web pages, your structure of HTML will come inside the body tag. For example, let's start with the h1 tag. I hope you are familiar with the h1 tag, h1, h2. Your These heading tags are from h1 to h5. So, for example, we will write here my first web page, and we'll give a paragraph tag here. Paragraph and h1 both have an starting and an ending tag. So, in the paragraph tag, you can write anything. I will give a dummy text, and we'll also see h2, and we will write here second section, and also one paragraph. Laura, sorry, then let's go and check our web page in. So here we are. So as you see here, the title which we wrote here, my web page, it's here, the title of the web page. Whatever you will write in the head tag, and the title will always come in the head tag, my web page. Then after, we have given an h1 tag with a paragraph, my first web page, and a paragraph. So here it is h1. So h1 will have the higher font size from h2, h3, h4. I'll show you an example here. For example, here if we use h3, and I'll write it as third section. Reload the page. See, when we use h1, you have a higher font size, h2 a little smaller than the h1 tag, h3 a little smaller than the h2 tag, and so on till h5. You can use it from h1 to h5, and the paragraph tag you've given it. So here we are. We have created a, our very first web page, and you can also see here that the h1 tag is always in bold, and the paragraph is normal font weight. Okay, that's it guys. We are done with this tutorial of our first web page, and I'll see you in our next tutorial. So subscribe my channel, press the bell button so you'll get the update for the next videos.